Hello, my name is Eva and I'm the person behind Avesta Design, and in this video I will show you how to sew cute zipper pouches in a really beginner friendly video step-by-step guide. For this project you will need cotton main fabric, lining and polyester padding. Also cuttable zipper, matching head, scissors, rotary cutter, it's optional, pins, needles and some bows. Also pattern is available and linked down below in description. First cut out the main fabric 1 or 2 centimeters larger than the pattern itself. Cut 2 pieces. Now cut the zipper according to the pattern length and add 1 or 2 centimeters more. And now attach the zipper head following the video guide. When you insert the zipper head, make sure that both sides are evenly, otherwise there will be a little bump or the zipper will be uneven. Now take a lining and cut out 2 pieces from the pattern. This time you won't need to add centimeters all around. Cut the zipper end, the zipper pull, 1 piece from each, and take all your pieces you have cut out to the ironing board and press them slightly. Now you will need to take your polyester batting and place the main fabric on top and cut out 1 centimeter all around. Take the both pieces to your sewing machine, and I have chosen the quilting style of vertical lines and 2 centimeters from each of the lines. Now take again your pattern and we will cut out all the excess fabric that is left from the quilting. I use rotary cutter, but you can use also scissors. And now is the time you can actually stitch your label if you have. This is really optional step and it's not included in the pattern, but I will stitch my label on. Now there is 2 pieces of the quilted main fabric and we will begin to sew the zipper. Take your zipper end and fold it in a half right sides inwards and place the zipper in between the layers. Pin with a needle or clip and sew 1 centimeter along the edge. Now take your zipper to the ironing board and open up both sides of the fabric pieces and carefully press them with an iron. Mark 3 centimeters from zipper ending towards the fabric end and cut out excess fabric. Also even out if there is some excess from the both sides of the zipper and take your scissors and cut it. Now take the main fabric and the zipper right sides facing each other and place the lining on the top. The zipper ending what we have just sewn must match the main fabric edge. I am using my zipper foot to sew the zipper 1 centimeters from the edge towards the zipper. Open up the zipper ending and I had to redo this step so you can better see all the details because I realized that the angle and lighting was really bad. Now you have to mark 1.5 centimeters from the end of the lining. Stitch until this mark with the needle position down and lift up your zipper foot. Now pull the zipper side out in a 90 angle so it is turned out and you can stitch across it straight to the end, and you can even make another stitch so it's more secure, and it should look like this. You can see that the zipper is sewn inside the seam. Now open up the both sides and take this piece to your ironing board and press the lining away from the main fabric and away from the zipper with the iron. Now you will need to top stitch along the zipper and don't touch the lining. The lining should be open away from the main fabric. I recommend to top stitch 1 to 3 millimeters from the zipper, and this time I have chosen 1 millimeter. Now you can repeat all the steps with the other side. Also, if you have any questions or some unclarity with the pattern or instructions, I would be really happy if you can comment down below and I could answer them on my next video or on my social media. You can follow me on Instagram, where I also share a lot of my sewing tips and new projects that are coming. Also, I have made free project planner templates. You can print them and use them to make notes and measurements for your upcoming sewing project. You can get them just by going to my website and subscribing to my email. After you have pressed down the lining away from the zipper, take your both pieces of the quilted main fabric and the lining and place them on top of each other and pin or clip them together. And also be very careful with the zipper sides. The both sides must match really well, and you must pull the zipper ending part fabric towards the lining and secure it with a pin. And also the other side, check that the seams are even and both sides matches and secure them with the needle so they don't slip around. And also in this part, you must open up the zipper in a halfway, otherwise you will not turn around the pouch. And leave a hole or a gap around 6 to 10 centimeters at the bottom of the lining. And sew all around with the 1 centimeter seam allowance. And this pattern is coming with 6 sizes, 2 pencil cases, one for the laptop and one for the iPad or book sleeve, one mini pouch, and one travel size pouch that is really convenient when you're traveling, or also you can put things inside in your tote bag. Now you can cut out the zipper sides if you have left them, and all 4 corners. Leave 1 millimeter to the stitching line and trim the excess bulk fabric from the both sides of the zipper. So when you turn around your pouch inside out, the corners will look sharp and nicely. Turn the pouch out through the gap you have left and push out all the corners. And this is the step where you must check that everything is matching nicely and correctly. And if it is looking good, you can sew the hole with a 1 millimeter seam allowance. Push the lining inside the zipper and sew the zipper pull, folding it in half and fold it again towards the folding line, and sew. Pull it through the zipper head and tie a cute knot. And this is optional, but I like to make it even cuter and even nicely looking, and to stitch with a hand some cute bow. And we have finished this cute zipper pouch, and thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!